Welcome to EPT English Podcast Time. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Sophia. Today, we're discussing a very important topic, the impact of social media on mental health.
That's right. Social media has become an integral part of our lives. But have you ever stopped to think about how it's affecting our mental well-being?
Exactly. So let's dive in and explore the effects of social media on our mental health.
Sophia, can you tell us a bit about the statistics surrounding social media usage and mental health?
Certainly. According to a study by the Royal Society for Public Health, social media use is associated with increased feelings of loneliness, anxiety, and depression. In fact, the study found that Instagram is the most detrimental social media platform for mental health.
Wow, that's alarming. What do you think contributes to these negative effects?
Well, Jamie, one major factor is the curated nature of social media. We're constantly comparing our lives to the highlight reels of others, which can lead to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem.
That's a great point. Another factor is the constant stream of information we're exposed to. It can be overwhelming and lead to feelings of anxiety.
Absolutely. And let's not forget about the impact of social media on sleep patterns. Exposure to screens and the constant notifications can interfere with our sleep, leading to fatigue, irritability, and decreased mental well-being.
That's really insightful, Sophia. So, what can we do to use social media in a healthier way?
One strategy is to set boundaries around our social media use. This might mean limiting our screen time, taking breaks from social media, or removing social media apps from our phones.
That's a great idea. I've also heard that unfollowing or muting accounts that make us feel bad about ourselves can be helpful. What are your thoughts on that?
Absolutely. Surrounding ourselves with positive and supportive online communities can have a profound impact on our mental health.
Another strategy is to use social media intentionally. Instead of mindlessly scrolling through our feeds, we can use social media to connect with others, learn new things, or promote our own work. Sophia, can you share a personal experience about how social media has affected your mental health?
Yeah, I used to spend hours scrolling through Instagram, comparing my life to others. It made me feel so inadequate and unhappy. But then I realized that I had the power to change my social media habits. I started unfollowing accounts that made me feel bad, and I limited my screen time. It's made a huge difference in my mental health.
That's really inspiring, Sophia. Finally, what message do you hope our listeners take away from this conversation?
I hope our listeners realize that they're not alone in their struggles with social media and mental health. And I hope they feel empowered to take control of their social media habits and prioritize their mental well-being.
Well said, Sophia. It's time for us to wrap up this episode. Thanks for tuning in to EPT English Podcast Time.
Don't forget to take care of your mental health by being mindful of your social media usage. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and feel free to suggest any topics you'd like us to explore next. We're always looking for fresh ideas and love hearing what you're interested in.
Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might enjoy the conversation.
We're taking a short break to explore some related vocabulary. Curated, meaning carefully selected and presented to show only the best or most attractive parts. Example: her Instagram feed is curated to perfection, with every photo looking like a work of art. Detrimental, meaning causing harm or damage. Example: excessive social media use can have detrimental effects on mental health, leading to increased stress and anxiety. Inadequacy, meaning a feeling of not being good enough or capable enough. Example: comparing myself to others on social media made me feel inadequate and insecure about my own accomplishments. Mindful, meaning being fully present and aware of one's thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. Example: I'm trying to be more mindful of my social media use, limiting my screen time and focusing on real-life connections. Saturation, meaning a state of being completely filled or overwhelmed. Example: the constant stream of information on social media can lead to saturation, making it difficult to focus or think clearly. We'll see you next time with more exciting discussions. Take care, and remember, your story matters. Bye for now.